Hey everyone, Nate here, Outside Cleaners, Cape Cod, Massachusetts. A prospective customer recently asked me, well, how do I clean gutters? And I got the vibe that she had had a bad experience with someone cleaning her gutters. And then I thought, well, maybe other people want to know how I clean gutters as well. So here's what I do. I use a bucket, which I carry with me, put the debris in from the gutters. Usually it's leaves and pine needles and pieces of sticks and such. I use rubber-coated salad tongs to scoop out the gutters. I use these for a couple reasons. First of all, oftentimes gutters are aluminum and they've got a coating upon them, an anodization or a paint, which protects them from corrosion and makes them last longer. So if I did something that scratched them, that could, in the long run, shorten their useful life. I also use these because the inside of gutters often have pointed, sheet metal screws and sharp edges that can cut my hands to shreds. So that's why I use this setup. Then on the ladder side, all my ladders have these standoffs or bull horns, which, as you can see, makes it so that the ladder does not lean upon the gutter. It just gives me safe and easy access up there without denting or caving in the gutter, because gutters aren't as strong as oftentimes people think. Then lastly, my standoffs have tennis balls on them so they don't leave scratches on the roof or on the siding or whatever I'm leaning up against. So that's how I do it. That's how I clean out gutters, and that's how I'm doing this one in Orleans. You can see that at some point somebody didn't do it this way, and that's what happens when you lean up against the gutter. Anyway, I sure hope that answers the question of how do I clean gutters and why do I do it that way. Hope you're well. Bye.